Steps to complete our financing application. Mike wanted me to inform you of the steps to filling out your application. Navigating the world of financing can often feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to completing a financing application. However, with a clear understanding of the process and a few helpful tips, you can approach your application confidently. In this article, we will outline the essential steps to completing our financing application smoothly. Number 1. Accessing the application. And the first step in this journey is to access the financing application itself. You'll want to start by clicking the designated link provided. This link will direct you to the online application form where all the magic begins. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and sufficient time to complete the application without rushed interruptions. Following the completion of the application, it's essential to inform us that you have completed your application. Text the number 404-913-5913 with the words "Application Finished," followed by your name and email address. Number 2. Gathering necessary information. Before diving into the form, take a moment to gather all relevant information about both yourself and your business. Be prepared to enter personal details such as your name, contact information, social security number, and employment history. For your business, you'll likely need to provide the business name, address, type of business entity, tax ID number, and banking statements. Each situation is different. Provide what you have. Having this information at your fingertips will streamline the process and reduce the likelihood of errors. Step 3. Completing the application form. With all your information organized, you are now ready to fill out the application. Begin entering your details according to the prompts on the form. Pay special attention to each section. Accuracy is crucial. Double-check numbers and dates and ensure there are no typos in your contact information. Pay attention to the sections that require specific financial data. So be prepared to include income, expenses, and any existing debts. Once you have filled out all required fields, take a moment to review your entries for completeness and accuracy. Step 4. Submitting your application and next steps. After ensuring everything is correct, submit your application. Our automations will give you a confirmation message and send an email acknowledging your submission. This step not only confirms your successful completion of the application, but also keeps Financing Mastery Blueprint informed and engaged with your progress. Step 5. Conclusion. Look out for our emails in your personal financing portal. Completing a financing application doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these structured steps, accessing the application, gathering necessary information, carefully filling out the form, and promptly confirming your submission, you'll set yourself up for success. Remember that clarity and detail are your allies in this process. With the right preparation and attention to detail, you'll be well on your way to securing the financing you need for your business, house buying, or entrepreneurial endeavors. Good luck!